Your email marketing goals are established and your subscriber list is growing. But what types of emails are you going to send?
I'm London, this is Darlene, and we're going to introduce you to a few popular types of emails used for marketing.
Let's start at the beginning with the welcome email. Treat your new subscribers like you would a new acquaintance. Use an email to introduce yourself and tell them that you're happy they're here.
A welcome email is also a great way to get to know your new subscriber. You could ask things like their email preference or how they found you.
Promotional emails are the most common type of email marketing. Be sure yours offers more than just the standard 25% off.
Yeah, amp up your promotional emails by adding a little humor or offering a free product with purchase. Bottom line, don't be basic, differentiate.
Survey and feedback emails allow you to get more one-on-one with your subscribers. And asking your subscribers for feedback makes them feel more important and will give you ideas on what and where to improve.
Survey emails are a great way to collect demographic data to better understand your customers and the type of emails they want to receive from you.
Newsletters are a popular type of email sent to subscribers on a consistent schedule. Done right, newsletters are a great customer engagement tool.
Yeah, and if your newsletter provides valuable content to your customers that educates them, keeps them up to date, or provides some sort of entertainment, it's seen as a service and not a sales pitch.
You benefit from newsletters by staying top of mind, building brand loyalty, and providing share-worthy content that can grow your audience.
In email marketing, the term churn refers to subscribers that leave an email list within a certain amount of time. A good way to reduce churn is to send a re-engagement email.
If you have subscribers on your list that haven't opened an email in over 6 months, sending a re-engagement email will either bring them back or help you determine whether or not you should remove them from your list.
Once you determine the type of emails that will be sent, create a simple contact plan. A contact plan is a way of mapping out the sequential order of the emails that you want to send, identifying who will receive them, and specifying the frequency at which they will be sent.
Contact plans are important because they help you clarify exactly why you're sending a certain type of email and the value it provides to your subscriber.
Those are just a few types of email marketing that you can use to support your small business.
And don't forget your contact plan, so it's always clear how each email type serves your customer and you. I'm Darlene, this is London, and we'll see you later.